Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. In earlier classes, we were discussing about the oxidation number, definition, and also how to calculate the oxidation number of a particular element, and also we were discussing rules to calculate the oxidation number. In today's class, we will discuss about the types of redox reactions. There are four types of redox reactions are there. First one is the combination reaction, second one is the decomposition reactions, and third one is the displacement reaction, and fourth one is the disproportion reactions. So now among four, now we discuss about the combination reactions. Very simple it is. Combination means the two or more than two substances will combine to form a one compound. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೋ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಅಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. Among that, at least one will be in the elemental state. So now example, hypothetical example we have taken here. A substance will be combined with the B to form a C. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು A ಮತ್ತು B ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವು ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ C ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾವು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is also what is types of redox reaction. So now we have taken a particular example like carbon combined with the oxygen to form a carbon dioxide. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಅದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. So we already know that elementary nature and molecular nature oxidation state will be zero. ಇವೆರಡರದು oxidation state zero ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now carbon having oxygen is the more electronegative, hence we will get the minus charge. Now carbon will get the positive charge here. One oxygen having a -2 charge. One oxygen having a -2 charge. Two oxygens are there, hence it is -4. So now it is carbon will be +4. Now how it will be redox? Now we can check that. Redox reaction ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ ಕರಿಬಹುದು? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನೋಡಿ 0 oxidation state ದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, +4 oxidation state ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. 0 ದಿಂದ +4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತೋ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತೋ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದಂಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು -2 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. 0 +1 +2 +3 +4 so on, -1 -2 -3 -4. Now it is 0 to -2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 to -2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, hence it is a combination reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. You can take the magnesium combined with the nitrogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ನೈಟ್ರೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ is 0, elementary nature and molecular nature is 0. Here it is Mg3N2. So nitrogen more electronegative, hence it is a minus, and magnesium will be plus charge. Now one nitrogen having a -3 charge, magnesium having a +2 charge. One magnesium I am talking. 3 magnesiums are there, +6 it will be. 2 nitrogens are there, it is -6, a neutral molecule. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎರಡು ಅದಾವು, -4 +4 neutral charge. Here also -6 +6. I am writing here only one magnesium charge and one nitrogen charge. One nitrogen -3 charge, one magnesium +2 charge. So 0 ದಿಂದ +2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. 0 ದಿಂದ -3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. So these two are combined to form a Mg3N2, hence this is the combination reaction. Coming to the point, methane reacts with oxygen. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ H2O ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೈತಿ. So now oxygen is 0 oxidation state here. So now carbon, hydrogen having a +1 charge, 4 hydrogens are there, +4, it is -4. Now it is carbon and oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, one oxygen having a -2 charge, now it is +4. Two oxygens are there, -4, it is +4. So H2O -2, here it is +1. So these two are combined to form a carbon dioxide and H2O. Hence it is combination reaction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Increase ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ oxidation number increase ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ oxidation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Decrease ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ reduction ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So now it is -4 to +4 increase ಆಗೈತಿ. So oxidation ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. So now oxygen is -2 here, decrease ಆಗೈತಿ, reduction ಆಗೈತಿ ಅಂತ. So this is about the combination reaction. And the second type of redox reaction, that is one more, is decomposition reaction. So it is exactly opposite to the combination reaction. Combination reaction ನಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಸೊ ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂತದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ is break down into two or more substances. Among that, at least one is in a elemental state. For example, you can take the H2O upon heating, it will be decomposed. ಇದು decompose ಆಗಿ H2 ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. So now it is a decomposition ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now it is one hydrogen having a +1 charge, oxygen having a -2 charge. Hydrogen elemental nature, it is 0 0. So here +1 is converted into 0 and -2 is converted into 0. -2 is converted into 0 means increase in oxidation number. Oxidation ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು. +1 ದಿಂದ 0 ಬಂದಂತಂದ್ರ decrease ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು, reduction ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. So now sodium hydride upon decomposition, it will form the sodium and hydrogen. So now in case of this, sodium having a +1 charge, hydrogen having a -1 charge. We were discussing about that rules to calculate the oxidation number. In case of metal hydrides only, the hydrogen will get the -1 charge. Apart from that, hydrogen will get the +1 charge. The metal hydrides only, hence the hydrogen will get the -1 charge here. Now elemental nature and molecular nature will be 0. Now sodium +1 is converted into 0 and -1 is converted into 0. +1 is converted into 0 means a decrease in oxidation number, and -1 is converted into 0. -1 is converted into 0 means increase in oxidation number. This is +1 is converted into 0, +1 is converted into 0 means decrease in oxidation number. So now we can take the KClO3. If you want to calculate the chlorine oxidation state, if you are confusing, we already know how to calculate the oxidation number of particular element. Now you can take the X here. So now potassium having a +1 charge, plus X and -6. One oxygen is -2 charge, -6 is equal to 0. X -5 is equal to 0, X is equal to +5. It means chlorine having a +5 charge, potassium having a +1, oxygen -2, -6 side. Now here potassium +1 and it is -1. Here elemental nature is 0. Chlorine +5 ಇದೆ ಏನೈತಿ, -1 ಆಗಿದೆ. +5 ಇದೆ -1 ಆಗಿದೆ. Just think here, +5 is -1 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗೈತಿ. Hence it is reduction taking place. -2 to 0 oxygen, -2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 0 ಆಗೈತಿ. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ KCl ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರೈಡ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ Na+H2 ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. H2O ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ H2 ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಇಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So we were discussing about the decomposition reaction. In that all the decomposition reaction may not be the redox reaction. For example, we can take the CaCO3. Upon decomposition, it will form the CaO plus CO2. Oxidation state of Ca is +2 here, and oxygen is -2, one oxygen, and carbon is +4. Here it is +2, -2. Here one oxygen is -2 and carbon is +4 oxidation state. So now Ca is plus 2 after the decomposition. C in case of CaO it is plus 2 only. Oxygen is minus 2. Here also minus 2 and minus 2. ಇದು ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು. CaCO3 ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ Ca ಮತ್ತು CO2 ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇನಲ್ಲ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಏನಲ್ಲ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ಆರ್ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Now we will discuss about the third classification, third type of redox reaction, that is the displacement reaction. So very simple, what is the meaning of a displacement reaction antandra? An atom or ion is displaced from the atom or ion of another element. ಒಂದು atom ಅಥವಾ ion ಇನ್ನೊಂದು atom ಅಥವಾ ion ದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ. ಅಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. An atom or an ion of a compound is replaced by an atom or ion of another element. That is called as a displacement reactions ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Example, we had taken a hypothetical equation here. A plus BC gives AC plus AB. In this reaction, ಈ reaction ದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನೇನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? A B ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೈತಿ. A B ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೈತಿ. A C ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು AC ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. B ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಏನ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? B ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂತು. ಏನ್ ಅದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಬಂತು? A ಬಂತು. So there are many different types of displacement will be there. One is a metal displacement will be there. Another one is a non-metal displacement will be there. Again, in case of non-metal displacement, hydrogen displacement will be there and halogen displacement will be there. So now we will discuss about the first one is metal displacement reaction. Here, one metal is displaced by the another metal. One metal is displaced by the another metal. Example we have taken here. Zinc is a metal. And we have taken a copper sulfate solution. Here copper is the metal and these two are the metals here. Now zinc can be replaced the copper. Illi zinc enagaithi copper anna replace madide nodli. Zinc sulfate agaithi, zinc replace agi zinc sulfate agaithi, copper enagaithi replace agi horagade. So now oxidation state of the zinc is 0 here. Copper having a +2 oxidation state. So now sulfur having minus 2 it is. Now it is if you want to calculate the, if you are having a doubt regarding to calculate this one is, we have to take the x here. So +2 plus x minus 4 into minus 2. So now it is +2 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. So now x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to +6. So now we have to write the +6 here. One oxygen having a -2 charge and 4 oxygen it is -8 charge. So no need to we need only metal here. Now it is +2. Here it is zinc +2. Here copper is 0. Zinc 0 is converted into oxidation state of zinc. 0 is converted into +2. So now it is oxidation is taking place. Copper +2 is converted into 0, reduction is taking place. Here one metal, that is the zinc is a one metal. This metal will replace the copper from the solution. So hence hence the zinc sulfate is formed and copper will be formed. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್, ಕಾಪರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೆಟಲ್, ಎರಡು ಮೆಟಲ್. ಈ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಿಂದ. ಕಾಪರ್ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಿಂದ ಕಾಪರ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಬಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕುಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ we have taken an aluminum reaction with Cr2O3. So now here aluminum is a metal, chromium is a metal. Here aluminum is replaced by the chromium. So now it is Al2O3 will be formed and chromium will be formed. So now aluminum is 0. Now oxygen having -2 charge, one chromium having a +6 charge. So now Al having a +3, oxygen having a -2, chromium having a 0. So now here aluminium is replaced by the one more metal, that is the chromium. Hence it is displaced by the one metal with the another metal. Here TiCl4 reacts with the Mg, will give the Ti plus MgCl2. So now it is -1, chlorine having a 4 chlorines are there, -4, it is +4 oxidation state, Mg will be 0, Ti will be 0, Mg +2, it is a -1. Now here titanium is a one metal and magnesium is another metal. Here magnesium is replaced with the titanium. Titanium ಮತ್ತು magnesium ಎರಡು metal ಏನದು replace ಆದವು. titanium ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು MgCl2 formation ಆಯ್ತು. This type of reactions are called as a displacement reactions ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So now among that one more is a non-metal displacement reaction. Here we are discussing one metal will be displaced with another metal. Now here non-metal like hydrogen will be displaced from the reaction. So hydrogen gas will be formed. So now how it will be? Now sodium reacts with the H2O. This sodium reacts with the hydroxide, will form the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen is replaced. This hydrogen is a non-metal, it is replaced from the solution or displaced from the solution as a gas. This type of a reaction is called as non-metal displacement reaction. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Calcium reacts with the H2O. So here it is 0, here it is +1, -2, +2, now it is -1, it is 0. Here hydrogen is replaced from the what it is H2O. So non-metal hydrogen is replaced. Here magnesium H2. So in case of steam, if it is reacts with the steam, magnesium active metal reacts with the steam like H2O, hydrogen is replaced. So this type of reactions are called as non-metal displacement reactions anta kariteve. And one more type is hydrogen displacement from dilute acids by the active metals like magnesium, zinc, iron. So when these metals are reacts with the dilute acids, hydrogen will be displaced from the solution. So magnesium reacts with the HCl. Here hydrogen is replaced. H2 will be replaced as a gas. Magnesium having a 0 oxidation state, it is +1, -1, it is +2, -1, it is 0. So now here zinc is the active metal, reacts with the dilute acid. Hydrogen is replaced from the HCl. So hydrogen is replaced from the HCl. So zinc is reacts with the chlorine, zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen is replaced. Zinc having a 0 oxidation state, hydrogen having a +1, -1, it is +2, -1, it is 0 oxidation state. So here hydrogen is displacement from the dilute acids when it is reacts with the active metals like magnesium and zinc or iron or any other active metals. When it is reacts with the dilute acids, hydrogen will be released or as a gas. So that is we are calling as hydrogen displacement or non-metal displacement anta karite. And one more non-metal like halogen displacement reactions. So here chlorine reacts with the KBr. So now bromine, one is a halogen, chlorine is another halogen. There are two halogens are there. So now one halogen will replace the another halogen. Illinium halogen replace the bromine molecule is formed. Now here also same. Iodine is the one halogen, chlorine is a halogen. This chlorine will displaces the iodine from the solution. Hence I2 will be formed. Here chlorine molecule of 0 oxidation state, this is +1, -1, it is +1, -1, it is 0. Now here bromine displaces the iodine. These two are the halogens. So now bromine 0, potassium +1, iodine -1, it is +1, -1, it is 0. Bromine displaces the iodine from the solution. Now it is KBr plus I2 will be formed. So plus minus, now it is reacts with the KBr, I2 will be formed. So this is about the halogen displacement anta kariತೀವಿ. So these are the displacement reactions. Displacement reactions ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನೇನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿವಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದಾಗಿಂದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡನೇದು ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಾಗ ಮೂರ್ ತರ, ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. one more is a halogen displacement reaction. This is about the displacement reactions, and now we will discuss about the fourth one is the disproportion reaction. Fourth types of redox reaction, that is the disproportionation reaction. Here an element in one oxidation state in any of the reactant undergoes simultaneous oxidation and reduction. It means ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂತ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. So an element in one oxidation state in any of the reactant undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Here it is hydrogen having a +2 oxidation state. So now it is one hydrogen having a +1, it is -1. So now hydrogen having a +1, here it is -2, here elementary nature will be 0. So now hydrogen is +1 is converted into +1. Now it is oxygen is -1 is converted into -2. -1 is converted into -2 in the sense it is decrease in oxidation number, hence reduction is taking place. So now reduction, and that is H2O will be formed. And another one is -1 is converted into 0. Now it is -1 is converted into 0. So -1 into 0 means increase in oxidation number, that is the oxidation is taking place to form a oxygen here. So H2O ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು oxidation ಆಗಿ one product ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ and reduction ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು product ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ. No need to write the hydrogen here. So we have to know the which one is going to oxidize and which one is going to reduction. So now P4 is 0 here, oxidation state of, I written a balanced chemical equation. So now phosphorus is converted into here. It is +1 oxidation state, 3 hydrogens are there, +3 it will be. Now phosphorus having a -3 oxidation state. So now if you want to calculate the phosphorus oxidation state, it is actually +1. If you are doubt, now we have to take the X here. So now what 2 hydrogens are there, 1 hydrogen having a +1 oxidation state, phosphorus is X, and 2 oxygens are there, each oxygen having a -2 oxidation state, it is equal to -1. Now 2 plus X minus 4 is equal to -1, X minus 2 is equal to -1, X is equal to -1 plus 2 is equal to, it is +1. So phosphorus is, it is +1 oxidation state. Now 0 phosphorus oxidation state of P4 is 0 here, this will be converted into -3. 0 to -3 in the sense we already know that how to define the increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation and decrease in oxidation number is called as reduction. Now 0 to -3 in the sense 0 to -3 decrease in oxidation number, hence it is reduction taking place. 0 to +1, now it is 0 to +1 increase in oxidation number, hence it is oxidation taking place. Phosphorus oxidation ಆಗಿ one product ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ and reduction ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು product ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂತ reactions ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ disproportionation reactions ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And also we are discussing about the oxo ions of chlorine. So oxo ions of chlorine daga ClO minus, ClO2 minus and ClO3 minus, these are the oxo ions of chlorine. Among that ClO4 minus 1 is does not show any disproportionation reaction because chlorine is always it is in the higher oxidation state, hence it does not show the any disproportionation reaction. So now it is Cl, it is here -1 will be there, it is +1 oxidation state, here -1, here it is +5. So one oxygen having a -2, that is -6 and -1 plus -5, it is +5. Now it is Cl +1 is converted into -1, +1 is converted into -1, decrease in oxidation number, that is the reduction, and Cl +1 is converted into +5, +1 is converted into +5, +1 is converted into +5 in the sense increase in oxidation number, that is oxidation taking place. Here Cl will be +3 oxidation state, here it is one oxygen having a -2, that is +5. Now it is -1. Now Cl will be +3 is converted into +5. One product will be formed. +3 to +5 more in the either increase in oxidation number, oxidation like one product bandati. Next Cl +3 ಇದ್ ಮತ್ತದ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, Cl -1 ಆಗೈತೆ. +3 ಇದ್ -1 ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ +3 ಇದ್ -1 ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease in oxidation number, that is reduction taking place. And here one more oxo ion with is ClO3-, so this is having a +5 oxidation state. Here it is -1 will be there and it is +7. Now Cl +5 is converted into -1. Whether it is increase or decrease, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ +5 ಇಂದ -1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು +5 ಇಂದ +7, so now it is +5 ಇಂದ +7 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇವು ಆಕ್ಸೋ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾವೆ. ಅಮಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ClO4- is also oxo ions of a chlorine, but it does not show any disproportion reaction because already chlorine in the highest oxidation state, that is what it is +7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಆಕ್ಸೋ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಡಾಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ we will discuss in the next class.